guys, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, tonight's Friday. We're gonna do a little thing outside, so stay tuned to see what we're about. I can't talk to me now. Them things that people test me till I'm come. Yeah, I was a little concerned, I won't lie. Yeah. And we're gonna do we pay here for the shoe? Oh really? So we don't have to change shoes? I can go with me? How come? Oh, well I mean, alright. Go. If we wanted to order food, what do we do? So guys, we're bowling. I want these two. The other socks now. Come to me, I'll take out them shoes here. So the socks are... It's pretty full in here, guys. Let's not make a vlog much, but I'll show you guys some of the things and then... Can you even hear me? Where is Mom? We are gonna bowl and it's pretty crowded in here. It's a full Friday night. I never expected so many people to be here, but it's fun. See my hair, I did my hairdo. I wanna bring these forward like this. I'm gonna change these up. Yeah. It's been a good run, and yeah, oh my god, what do you guys think of my hair? Did you watch my hair video? Huh? I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna style the end. Ready? Yeah. That was the worst bowl ever.
What a shame. I look like the eye pop the man. You have to believe in it, so. My mom said that woman here can't for no oh.
At the end of the night, this is what we're looking like. Yep. There's no way to measure what you're worth. Don't mash it up enough. Oh. Big fluffy guys by the window. Can you see them? Look at them. Guy in the car was due for a wash. Guys, if you saw how dirty the car was, I couldn't drive it another time like that, so went and got it a little wash. Because just like, oh, you don't go around dirty for days, your car should not be subjected to that kind of treatment either. And so I took baby for a little wash, and now she's clean like her mama. Clean like her mama. And I'm so excited about that because after work on my British accent, it is not giving. It's not giving the Queen's English. And so I took baby for a wash, and now I'm quite pleased with how she's looking. Haven't seen her yet, but I just know based on the windscreen that yeah, it's kind of the worst time to wash your car because what it is is that the snow, it's expected soon, and so once the snow begins to fall, you'll find that your car is going to look extremely dirty. But you have to also consider the fact that your car is also a representation of who you are, and so I can't have that kind of representation for myself. I beg your pardon. Anyway, guys, that was our little car wash moment. Guys, did I say this already? I think I asked you to enjoy the vlog already, but if I didn't ask you, did you enjoy last week's vlog? You saw my hair, I did my hair, because as a hot girl, top girl, never a flop girl, our hair has to look good. Guys, I'm still feeling the ripple effects of the gym. Like, my core is coring. Yeah, I'm about to be snatched. Yeah, talk to me nice. But yeah, I'm just heading home from work now, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so welcome to this portion of the for this 1 minute, I got an itch. Right, welcome to this portion of the vlog. We're gonna be doing a mini haul. Guys, I like my hair. Did you watch my hair video? Talk about versatility. This Canada bring out the best in me, Anna. Look how the hair, the rosemary oil in my dress. Anyway, mini haul. I got a mini package from Amazon, and I'm going to, because we're practice for the future, I'm gonna go ahead and link the items on my Amazon storefront. So one thing was a gift. A gift from a friend. She said she believes in my journey, so she went to a store yesterday and they were having a sale, and she bought me. I want to show you what she bought me. Guys, my very own ring light. Never mind the box. The box was really cool, but it's not the package that matters. It's what's inside. Lord, me excited. I had a ring light before, and when I was coming, I gifted it to my friend. I can't talk to me now. Because what? The tripod is small, but that's okay. Because yeah, this is literally it. But that's okay. I will get the tripod. I will get a bigger one. I will. So I'm not sure what this is, but I'll figure it out. So quick unboxing. So we have the little tripod. Like literally, this is just to put, like, if you have a countertop or like countertop or a desktop and you're sitting there, then literally this is how it's gonna work. I want to plug it in though, because of course you have to see what it's giving. I mean, it feels good. As I said, I don't know what this is, but I'll figure it out. There's a manual in it as well. Says ring light. So it's what? Vict Sting ring light. I don't really care who make it. Pure China writing. Yang gang chung chung. Ying ching ding ding. Ding ding. Ni hao. I don't know Chinese or I don't know Mandarin. So yeah, that's a for another time. What else? VIP points. So extended 12-month warranty. Okay, I like that. Points store VIP deals. See another piece of something here that must go on something. Let me take it out of the bag and show you guys. The video never gonna get set up. Like, I can't wait to do my makeup with this thing. Hello. Yeah, so this is another piece of equipment. Oh, would you look here? Oh, okay. I guess so. Yes, this looks like it goes in here. And then, all right, I'm figuring it out. Girl, I don't see no. Big up all of the St. Hughes girls. Fidelitas, loyalty, and faithfulness. Big up all my swans. Because look at me. So I'm just putting it, screwing it together. Wait. Okay, I thought I broke it and I'm just get it. This big one, man. That's what it should be. So I'm gonna plug it in and see what it's giving. Oh, it also comes with a little remote. Let me tell you something. I love receiving gifts. I love getting gifts. It's a little remote. So, what's this? iOS camera 360. Let's just get it plugged up. Oh, like, hoo-hoo, living on a spotlight. Hoo-hoo. Just because you think I might find somebody worthy. Are we ready for the moment? Hold on. Take 2. Fulfilling your needs as well. I see lights already, so I know it's gonna work. Ready? Are you ready? Or is this just my sentence? Am I doing time? Oh, if this is love, real love, then I'm staying no doubt. But if I'm just lost prisoner, then I'm busting out. Guys. Anyway, makeup. Hello. Anyway, guys. So, let me test out all the shades. So, warm light, warm, bright, not so warm. I don't know how much it up. Ring lights on point. Get yourself to act like a grown up now. All right, guys. So I'm a ring light again. Anyway, so this is our ring lights. I'm cheesy. Thumbnail. No. Let me turn it off. No. Stop down the battery. Anyway, I'm gonna be real. Best part of a gift. Oh, so satisfying. Anyway, there's more to unbox. So let's not waste time. Let's get into it. Let's get into the rest of the unboxing. Different them cats all you. Okay, I have your ring light now. Yeah, goodie. Yeah, girl. Yeah, boy. I'm on ring lights and what? Anyway, so that was my ring lights. And then, as I told you guys, I bought a package from Amazon. I'm hoping everything is in it. It's just really 3 things I ordered. And I'm hoping all 3 things are in this box. Because it'll be very sad to do a whole unboxing. And, yeah. You know, everything in it. Okay. I don't even remember what I ordered, what I'm thinking about. What did I order? Because what is this? Oh, I know what this is. Alright, let's start with. So I said I'm not sure on the. Anywho, let's start with this. I bought some hair, braiding hair, passion twist, I believe it is. I am in love with the color. So yeah, I got the color similar to what's in my hair now. The ginger looking is $3.50. And I have a style I'm gonna do with it, so stay tuned. Because I always a protective style. Okay, not bad. Them skinny though, man. Let me see here. It feels good, but they're thinner than I expected, and it feels feels a lot more synthetic than I remember them feeling. So I think I got about 6 in the pack, and I also got a crochet needle. Crochet needle came in the pack as well. I think I have about 4 of these though, but whatever. And then I got these because, believe it or not, I'm serious about what I do in the gym. Even though I'm still eating a lot more than I should be when I work on the eating, I promise. Hold on. So I'm just gonna use this to open it up. Yep. I know exactly what this is. Workout gloves. I hope it shows. If it don't show, so I know see the real thing. The wording is the least. No, it was supposed to be pink. Don't want this. It's supposed to pink. Me send it back in on. I'm gonna have to just buy another one. And what the heck is this? So this is it, guys. Because my hands are a little dry, don't judge me. My hands are a little dry. But right there, you see right there, the machines in the gym. Yeah, that's what's causing that. So I got me a pair of gloves to protect my hand, because where can I go? What I do with con? Not a con. Yep. I mean, the black not too bad. Them things that them can come test me, tell them for come. Yeah. And look at the man want run up on my thing. The blood of Jesus. So, new gloves. So you know, so I go pump it harder in the gym. And these are very affordable, honestly. I don't think my total order probably $60 or something like that, or a little over $60, because we are about affordability. And somebody gonna come out here and tell me that this isn't affordable, you know. But to me it is. To me it was. So I have my gloves now. And then the final thing in my Amazon box, I went ahead and I got the La Roche-Posay. It's the La Roche-Posay cleansing foaming water. I bought this because several YouTubers that I watched, they said they use this and it helps their skin, and I wanted to try it out because like all this, not pretty, not cute. So those are the things from my little Amazon haul. And as I said, I have my ring light now, so watch out with this. I'm excited about that. But guys, as we come to the end of the video, another little tidbit I wanted to share with you about my experience here in Canada. I will say this to you. If you decide to migrate or study or work here in Canada, one of the things you're gonna find is that this country is very family oriented. You're gonna find that everywhere you go, you're going to see families, and so that can play on your mental. If you're here alone, you will really start to feel like you don't have nobody, and you know your life's sad. Like, I'm not saying people don't go out with their friends, but a lot of time people go out, trust me, it's family outings. They have family day, for crying out loud. So they're big on family. They are big on just the, you know, the home, and, you know, being there for the kids and whatever. And so if you're gonna come and you are big on family as well, you may want to look into a way that can actually get your whole family here, or even some of your family here, because it can play on your mental. Like, I don't know for other countries, but I will tell you that in Canada, them go camping, them go hiking. All of these things are family activities. They go fishing, they go skiing, they go things that you can do together. They go shopping together. When you go to Walmart, you see families there. It's not just one person pushing the trolley, like the man pushing the trolley right beside him, or little Lisa and the baby in the cart. And so it's a different dynamic. It's a different space, a different life. And so if it's something that you're looking to do, if it's somewhere you're looking to be, just know that that's something you're gonna have to contend with. But I will say this: it is a positive thing to contend with. I like it because they encourage you to spend more time with your family. They encourage you to build the family home. And to be honest, if we're honest with ourselves, we will know that a society that has good family structures will be a more stable society, less crime, less violence, less things that make life rough and hard out there, right? So yeah, just some things to consider as I share with you life here in Canada, the differences. If there are any questions that you want to ask, don't be afraid to drop them in the comment section down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like the video, hit the thumbs up button, please. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to share it with somebody, you know, somebody we know want to come to Canada, or I don't care. Just share the video with them, because remember, we're on road to 1,000 subscribers. I really want to reach it before the end of the year. And guys, you may depend upon, because you can help me to achieve my goal. So guys, until my next upload next week, stay blessed, and remember to tell somebody about the channel. All right, bye.